Welcome to my website. If you're looking at this mind map, this is just a brief overview of how to navigate my website. This website is for employment purposes. I hope that any employer that sees it finds some important and useful information, and I look forward to hearing from you. This page that you're on right now is my welcome page. That's where the mind map is located. This is also where you'll find out where everything else on my website is located. Above, you'll find an About Me page, gives you some information about who I am, my interests, and my professional goals. We head over to my resume. You'll find my resume. You will find my letters of recommendation, and references are available upon request. Then we'll go over to teaching philosophy. Here you'll find my core teaching values. You'll find information about classroom management and my thoughts and systems on that, as well as behavior management. It'll speak about my philosophy. You'll really see that in my core teaching philosophy. You will find my thoughts on collaborative learning and why I believe it's so important. And then we'll go over to the technology section. The technology section of my website will show you and provide information about why I believe the integration of technology in the classroom is important, and some examples of materials, websites, and applications that I use. Finally, you will go up to the lesson plan section and you'll find some of the unit or lesson plans. You'll find screencasts and videos on various lessons and activities that I've done with students and ideas that I have for various subjects in literacy, math, science, and social studies. I hope that this is useful and helpful. I look forward once again to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much for looking at my website.